Hello kids! How are you? I hope you're doing well. This is Teacher Rose and I welcome you to our math class. This time I'm going to talk about multiplication of a three-digit number by a one-digit number. Let's read it one more time. Multiplication of a three-digit number by a one-digit number. Let's read the vocabulary 2 times. First, multiplication, multiplication, multiplicand, multiplicand, multiplier, multiplier, product, product, multiply, multiply, times, times. Multiplied by, three digit, three digit. This is an example of a multiplication sentence. You can write like this or this way, okay? Now, multiplicand, the number 134 is the multiplicand. Multiplier. The number 2 is the multiplier. Product. The number 268 is the product. Times or multiplied by. This letter X or the symbol X is called or read as times or multiplied by. Let's read this. The numbers that you will multiply are called the multiplicand and multiplier. These two numbers, multiplicand and multiplier. The answer in multiplication is the product. This one. All right, super easy. Okay. Let's read this one. What is 134 times 2? Let's write 134 times 2. What is the first step or step 1? Multiply the ones, the digit in the ones place. Right, it is 4. You multiply it by 2. You can say 4 times 2 or 2 times 4 because the answer is the same. What's the answer? Right, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. What's next? Step 2. Multiply the tens. All right. The digit in the tens place is 3. You can either multiply it like this. 3 times 2 or 2 times 3 because the answer is the same. So what's the answer? Yes, 6. Next one. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds. Okay, the digit in the hundreds place is 1. So you are going to multiply like this. 1 times 2 or 2 times 1. The answer is the same. What's the answer? You are correct. 134 times 2 equals 268. Okay. Let's read this question. What is the product of 396 and 4? Let's write 396 times 4. What's the first step? Multiply the ones. All right, so either 6 times 4 or 4 times 6. What's the answer? You are correct. It's 24. So, write 4 and carry 2. What is step 2? Multiply the tens. Okay, so either 9 times 4 or 4 times 9. What's the answer? Correct again. It's 36. But don't forget that there's a number 2 here on top. What are you going to do? You are going to add them. So 36 plus 2 is Write 8 and carry 3. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds. Okay, so it's either 3 times 4 or 4 times 3. What's the answer? You are correct again. It's 12. But you are still going to add 3 here. So 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Okay, count 1, 2, 3 and write the comma. So what's the answer? The product is 1,584. Good job! Let's practice some more. What is 162 times 9? Let's write 162 times 9. Okay, multiply the ones. This digit here. 2 times 9 or 9 times 2. What's the answer? You are correct. It's 18. Write 8 and carry 1. Next, step 2. Multiply the tens. 6 times 9 or 9 times 6 is equal to 54. But don't forget to add 1. What's the answer? It's 55. Write 5 and carry 5 on top. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds. 1 times 9 or 9 times 1. What's the answer? It is 9. But don't forget, there's a number 5 here on top. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Okay, count 1, 2, 3 and write the comma. So what's the answer? 162 times 9 equals 1,458. Very good. Let's practice, kids. In 915 times 3 equals 2,745, which is the multiplicand. You choose A, B, or C. What's your answer? The correct answer is A, 915. Let's read this next question. In 915 times 3 equals 2,745, which is the multiplier? You choose A, B, or C. What's your answer? You are correct. It's letter B. In 915 times 3 equals 2,745, which is the product? Choose your answer, A, B, or C. You are so sure with your answer, and that's correct. C, 2,745. This time, you are going to solve for the answer of this question. What is 456 times 3? So get a paper and pencil and multiply these numbers. I'll give you 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the answer? Good! It's letter A, 1,368. So, the answer to the question, what is 456 times 3, is 1,368. Here's another question. What is the product of 123 times 5? Be sure to write these numbers in your paper and solve for it. Alright, I'll give you 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What's your answer? Yes, it's letter B. Let's read. The product of 123 times 5 is 615. Well done, I hope you find it easy to multiply numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Kids, don't forget to answer your worksheets. I'll see you again next time. Bye!